Add a morph transition to animated 3D models in PowerPoint. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. In the previous video, I showed how you can add even more animation to your PowerPoint video with animated 3D models. In this video, I want to show you how you can step it up even more with the morph transition. In this example, the first step is to duplicate the slide and move the toaster to its end position. I'll also change the text later. Now it's time to go to Transitions on the ribbon menu and click on Morph. What I get is a smooth animation that includes the entire path of motion between the original and the modified duplicate scene. This is complex work with no animation skills required. And you can do this for as many scenes as you want, not just 2. It's that simple. PowerPoint does all the animation work for you. All you need to do is place the 3D image where you want it on the second slide. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.